Hello friends and welcome back to your channel. This episode is on Varutharacha Chamandhi, a roasted chutney that goes great with variety rices. To make this, you require a large piece of ginger, where here I have kept it sliced, a handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves, about 10 to 15 garlic and a small piece of tamarind. Half a cup of grated coconut, about 10 dry chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, salt and oil. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. First take a pan and add in a little oil in it. Add the dry chilies and saute it. Now add in the coriander seeds and the coconut. Maintain a low flame and saute this for about 1 minute. Add in the garlic and the sliced ginger pieces. Add coriander leaves and curry leaves and saute everything together in a very low flame until it turns a little brown. So everything is brown a little now. You can turn off the flame and let the mixer cool. Once everything has turned cool, you can grind it. Transfer it to the grinding jar. Add in the tamarind and salt. If required, you may also add a little water and make it into a paste. So our Varutharacha Chamandhi is ready now. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please like the video and share it. Also don't forget to subscribe to House to Home. Now there will be a short clip from my previous video on the lemon rice recipe wherein I have showed the chutney earlier. Yeah, this tasted great with this chutney. If you are not checked in my lemon rice recipe, then I will be leaving you the link in the description box below. You can check it there. Don't forget to try this recipe. Thanks for watching House to Home.